Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls. And today, we are setting up to tie-dye. And by we, I mean Sabrina and Sadie. So, when we get all set up and ready to go, I will bring you back. Okay, I decided to do a voiceover because I had to speed this up because we were out there like an hour, I swear. I had to keep running in and out of the house. But just letting the kids do their thing. I didn't really boss them around too much, believe it or not. You know, it's a grandma thing. Just let them do what they want. It really don't matter. We had yards and yards and yards of fabric. It was bleached muslin from Hobby Lobby. I have enough actually for 2 quilts. Or maybe like a front and a back and some pillows. I'm really proud of this project. We had a lot of fun. What do you think of Sadie's hair? I tried to catch all the times when she was goofing around on camera. Sabrina made like the prettiest one of the day. People were going by on the street. We waved at them a couple times. Oh, and the little kids across the street, catty corner from me, when I was taking everything off of the line, which you'll see it hanging on the line later, when I was taking them down, they're going, tie-dye! Look at the tie-dye! I was like, yeah, we made these. Because we're hippie wannabes or something. Actually, I wanted to tie-dye because I like the bohemian, you know, the colors, the brightness, the colors. I can't explain it. Sabrina being silly. But yeah, I would do it again. I'd do it again in a heartbeat, and we can because we got dye left. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? So, oh, I hear the little kids again. They're behind me. Oh no. Why does Sabrina keep putting it on her head? There we were waving. Some golf carts full of kids went by. I think it was daycare or something. I was like, is it ever going to end? Will we ever get done? Notice we're mostly wearing gloves in this part. But in the end we didn't. Okay, here's what we came up with. I am in love. Love. Sabrina did that one, and it is awesome. They're flopping. I'm so proud. And it was so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Was
it worth it though?
Yeah, it was worth it. It's okay. I'm telling you, Smurf, it's fine.
Hey. Oh, he got the back of my hands too.
Oh, look at how pretty.